How to fix links not opening on X or Twitter account. So if you're trying to open any of the link on Twitter or X account but you are not being able to, in that case, in order for you to fix it, first of all move into your application X, into your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, it will land you on this page. Now click on your profile at the top left corner. At the bottom, you have to click on Settings and Privacy. Now simply move into Accessibility, Display and Languages. Head over to Display. In this page, you should see the option of Use External Link or Use External Browser. If you have that option, you need to toggle that on. Once enabled, the issue will be fixed. But right now you can see the option is not available. In this case, you can open your account in any of the web browser. There you will be able to see the option in the same process. You can simply turn that on and you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.